Namaste everyone. Let's start with today's class. So today we are going to discuss about 18-Vyanjana Sandhi, which is a Chatva Sandhi. So Chatva Sandhi, it's a optional Sandhi. It's a optional Vyanjana Sandhi. Why it is called as Vyanjana Sandhi? Here Vyanjana, that consonant, is getting transformed. That's why it is called as a Vyanjana Sandhi. Now coming to the definition of Chatva Sandhi. Chatva Sandhi is, the rule is, when Shakara is preceded by any first letter of any Varga. When Shakara is preceded by first letter of any Varga, any of 5 Varga, Kavarga, Chavarga, Tavarga, Tavarga and Pavarga, and followed by Swara or semi-vowel or Makara or Nakara. So, what is the definition says? When Shakara is preceded by first letter of any 5 Vargas and followed by Swara or semi-vowel or Makara or Nakara, then what will happen? This middle letter, that Shakara, will be replaced by Chakara. Till now we have seen only preceded by and followed by. Only this Purva Varna and Paravarna we have seen. But in this Sandhi, we are seeing Madhya Varna, that is middle letter. So our definition says, when middle letter, when Shakara is preceded by first letter of any Varga and followed by a vowel or semi-vowel or Makara or Nakara, then this middle letter will be replaced by Chakara. That's it. This following letters, this Paravarna, all this Swara or semi-vowel, vowel or semi-vowel or Makara or Nakara is called a Pratyahara. Pratyahara. If you go to the Maheshwara Sutrani and then try to find out the letter, then you will see all these letters. So here definition says, when Shakara is preceded by first letter of any Varga and followed by a letter, then this middle letter will be replaced by Chakara. Now we will see the examples. And this is the optional Sandhi. See this example. Vak, Shastram. These are the two words. Expand Vak. When we expand Vak, Vakara plus A plus Kakara. If what is the expansion for Shastram? Shakara plus A plus Sakara plus Takara plus Repa plus A plus Makara. Now what our definition says? When first letter of any Varga is the previous letter and the middle letter should be Shakara and the following letter should be letter. Now all these three conditions satisfied. First condition is Shakara should be preceded by first letter of any Varga, which is Kakara here, and it should be followed by a vowel or semi-vowel or Makara or Nakara. In this example, it is followed by a vowel. So all these conditions satisfied. Now middle letter, which is a Shakara, will be replaced by Chakara. And left hand side nothing got changed, everything remain as it is. And right hand side, apart from Shakara, all these letters remain as it is. The only change is this Shakara got replaced to Chakara. This Chakara, that's it. So Vak plus Shastram became Vak Shastram. This is one example. We'll see one more example. Samrat, Shuraha. These are two words. What is the expansion for Samrat? Sakara plus A plus Makara plus Repa plus A plus Takara. And what is the expansion for Shuraha? Shakara plus U plus Repa plus Aha. Now what our definition says? Shakara should be preceded by first letter of any varga and followed by letter. Now all these conditions satisfied because here middle letter is Shakara and the previous letter is Takara, which is a Tavarga, and a following letter which is a vowel, which is a letter. Now the replacement will happen in the middle letter, which is a Shakara will be replaced by Chakara. That's it. And the left hand side nothing got changed, everything remain as it is. And right hand side, apart from Shakara, nothing got changed. So finally Samrat plus Shuraha became Samrat Shuraha. It is an optional Sandhi. We'll see one more example. See here, touch shlokaha. These are two words. What is the expansion for touch? Takara plus a plus chakara. And what is the expansion for shlokaha? Shakara plus lakara plus o plus kakara plus aha. Now what our definition says? Shakara should be preceded by first letter of any varga and followed by letter. Now all this condition satisfies because Shakara is the middle letter and this preceding letter Chakara belongs to Chavarga, which is the first letter of any varga, and following letter this Lakara belongs to a semi-vowel. So all this condition satisfies. Now the replacement will happen in the middle letter, that is Shakara will be replaced by Chakara. And the left hand side nothing got changed, and right hand side apart from Shakara everything remain as it is. So touch plus shlokaha became touch shlokaha. This is optional Sandhi, that's why it has two forms. So after Sandhi, if we make Sandhi, the form is this. If we don't make Sandhi, then the word become as it is, touch shlokaha. This is the without Sandhi. Now we'll see the last example. See this. Such plus Sheelam. I'll zoom it. Give me a sec. Okay. I think this is better. Yeah. See this. Such plus Sheelam. What is the expansion for such? Sakara plus a plus Shakara. And what is the expansion for Sheelam? Shakara plus e plus Lakara plus a plus Makara. Now, what our definition says? This Shakara should be the middle letter and the preceding letter should be the first letter of any varga. So this condition also satisfied. And the following letter is a letter, which is a vowel here. So finally, see here, this Sach plus Sheelam became Sach Sheelam. So this is with Sandhi. Here why? Because only Shakara is replaced by Chakara and the rest of the all letters remain as it is. And Sach Sheelam is a with Sandhi. If we don't apply Sandhi, then the letter became as it is. This one, see. Sach Sheelam. These are the two forms of this word, Sach Sheelam. So I'll revise the definition once again. So Chatva Sandhi is, which is the optional Sandhi. Here Vyanjana is getting transformed, that's why it is called as Vyanjana Sandhi. And Chatva Sandhi is when Shakara, the middle letter Shakara, is preceded by the first letter of any five vargas, that is Kavarga, Chavarga, Tavarga, Tavarga and Pavarga, and followed by a swara or vowel or semi-vowel or makara or nakara, which is the letter. So the following letter should be a letter from Maheshwara Sutrani. So the replacement will happen on the middle letter. This middle letter will be replaced by chakara. Here, see, preceding letter should be the first letter of any of 5 vargas, and middle letter should be shakara, and following letter should be a letter. That's it. Very simple. Then middle letter will be replaced by chakara. This is what about the Chatva Sandhi, and we have seen with the examples. So we are done with today's class. In the next class, we will discuss about 9th Vyanjana Sandhi.